Good morning, everybody. This is 8th lecture here. It is partial differential equation from MMP, Mathematical Methods in Physics, TYBSc. Now today's article is we have to solve this example. Yesterday also we solved one example here. This is the another example here. This is Legendre's differential equation here. What we have to show here? We have to show that here it's find out the solution for Legendre's differential equation 1 minus x y double dash minus twice x into y dash plus l into l plus 1 into y is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. First we have to see here, we know what is Frobenius series, what is first theorem here. First we must know that here x is equal to 0 is the ordinary point or regular singular point for the given differential equation. Then and then only the power series solution y is equal to summation of a n into x raised to n plus k is the solution for the given differential equation here. If it is irregular singular point here, this solution is not applicable here. So here this solution is applicable only for x is equal to 0 is the ordinary point or regular singular point of the given differential equation here. Let us check whether this point is ordinary point or regular singular point here. So here what is our differential equation here? Our differential equation is y dash y double dash plus p of x into y dash plus q of x into y is equal to 0 here. This is our differential equation here. Then the given differential equation, Legendre's differential equation, that we have to write in the form of this here. What we have to do here, in this case here 1 minus x square into y double dash here. So if we divide 4 by 1 minus x square into y double dash here, then we will get this form in this way here. So suppose this is equation number 1 here. So here we can write here, it is 1 minus x square y double dash and divided by, so first we write this equation minus twice x y dash plus l into l plus 1 into y is equal to 0. So divide 4 by 1 minus x square here. So it is 1 minus x square. Here is 1 minus x square. Here is also 1 minus x square here. So here this 1 minus x square gets cancelled with 1 minus x square. We get here y double dash minus it is twice x upon here is the minus here. There is no need of this again 1 minus x square into y dash plus a into l plus 1 into y upon 1 minus x square here. So here it is equation number 2 here. Comparing equation 1 and 2, what we get here? We get the value of p of x and q of x here. So compare. So p of x is equal to minus twice x upon 1 minus x square. 1 minus twice x square here. So this is the value of q of x here. What is q of x? Q of x is equal to l into l plus 1 upon 1 minus x square. So these are the value of p of x and q of x here. And we know the conditions here. What are the conditions here? Conditions are that here, if limit x tends to 0 here, limit x tends to 0, p of x or q of x, what happens that we have to see here. So what happens here? So it is limit x tends to 0, minus twice x upon 1 minus 2x square here. So what we get here? X tends to 0 here. So 0 here is the 1 here. So 0 upon 1 is the 0 here. So it is the 0. It is the finite number here. It is a finite number here. We don't waste the time here for this each and every step here. So for q of x, limit x tends to 0. What is q of x here? It is the limit x tends to 0. What is q of x? It is l into l plus 1 upon 1 minus x square here. So in this case, what we get? It is l into l plus 1 upon 1. Here x is equal to 0 here. So it is the finite number here. So it is also the finite number here. So here, in this case here, limit x tends to 0 p of x is finite. Limit x tends to 0 q of x is also finite here. So here, if limit x tends to 0 p of x and limit x tends to 0 q of x both remains finite, then x is equal to 0 is the ordinary point of the given differential equation here. So here, in this case here, x is equal to 0 is the ordinary point of the given Legendre's differential equation here. Then that's why here, now here it is the condition is fulfilled here. So then what happens here? Then y is equal to summation of a into x into n plus k is the solution, our series solution for the given differential equation here. Now this condition is satisfied here. X is equal to 0 is the ordinary point of the given differential equation here. Therefore, the solution for the power point solution for the power series solution for the given differential equation is y is equal to summation of a into x raised to n plus k. Here n runs from 0 to infinity here. So we can write here it is equation number 1 here. So what we require here? We require y dash and y double dash here. So what is y dash? y dash is equal to summation of n into n plus k into x raised to n plus k minus 1 here. So this is y dash here. What is y dash? Y double dash here. Differentiate this equation. We will get the y double dash here. So y double dash is equal to summation of n into n plus k into n plus k minus 1 into x raised to n plus k minus 2 here. So we get here y dash and y double dash here. Suppose it is equation number 2, it is equation number 3 here. So substitute 1, 2, 3 in the given differential equation here. So this is the legendary differential equation. What we get here? 1 minus x square into summation of n into n plus k into n plus k minus 1 into x raised to n plus k minus 2. Okay, so it is 1 minus x square into, this is y double dash here, minus twice x into, what is y dash? Y dash is this is equation here. It is summation of n into n plus k into x raised to n plus k minus 1, where n runs from 0 to infinity everywhere here. Here is the n runs from 0 to infinity here. Plus remaining this term here, L into L plus 1 into summation of n into x raised to n plus k, and it is equal to 0 here. So here we substitute y dash and y double dash in the given differential equation here. Then what we get here? Now here multiply. This term multiplied by 1 to this term here. So we get the same term here. So here it is, we get here summation of n into n plus k into n plus k minus 1 into x raised to n plus k minus 2. Okay. Now minus. Here is the x square here. Here is the x raised to n plus k minus 2. We know that here. This minus 2 gets cancelled with this 2 here. So remaining term is, this is only a power of x is x raised to n plus k here. So minus here is as it is here, and summation of n into n plus k into n plus k minus 1 into x raised to n plus k only here. This term is as it is here, x raised to n plus k minus 2. This minus 2 gets cancelled with this x2. We multiplied this bracketed this term by x square here. So here this minus 2 gets cancelled with this plus 2, remaining only x raised to n plus k here. Now next to that here. Here the minus is as it is here. Minus summation of n into 2 is here. 2. Now here x here. X multiplied by x raised to n plus k minus 1. This minus 1 gets cancelled with this 1x. So remaining is x raised to n plus k. Minus summation of n into 2 into n plus k into x raised to n plus k. Now this term is as it is here, plus n into n plus 1 into summation of n into x raised to n plus k is equal to 0 here. Now see here, observe the equation here. Here is the x raised to n plus k. Here is the x raised to n plus k. Here is also the x raised to n plus k here. So here if we combine the equal power of x here, then we get the next step here. So it is, the first term is as it is here. It is summation of, here is n plus 2 from 0 to infinity here. N plus from 0 to infinity here. n into n plus k into n plus k minus 1 into x raised to n plus k minus 2. Now here we take minus summation of n common, minus summation of n taken outside the bracket here, the remaining term that we have right here. So here this minus summation of n we take common, it is minus summation of n, and this minus summation of n. So what we get that we have right here. So minus summation of n remaining n plus k into n plus k minus 1. Okay, here minus taken common, so it becomes plus here, plus 2 into n plus k. As it is minus taken common, here is the plus side, here we have to take the negative side here, minus l into l plus 1 into remaining x raised to n plus k is equal to 0 here. Now this is the next step here. So we have all this thing here, we don't require these steps here. Okay, now this term here. So this bracket term, first we solve the bracketed term here. What we get here? This is the bracketed term here. First we solve this equation here. So here is the, before that here we take here. So here we require the lowest power of x by substituting n is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1 here. By substituting n is equal to 0, what is the lowest power of x here? X, n is equal to 0 means here x raised to k minus 2. This is the lowest power of x here. And if n is equal to 1 here, what is the lowest power of x here? It is x raised to n is equal to 1 means here it is kn 1 plus k minus 2. It is k minus 1. These are the lowest power of x here. By substituting n is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1, we get these are the lowest power of x here. And which are these terms here? The terms are, by substituting n is equal to 0. What is the term here? The term is a0 k into k minus 1 into x raised to k minus 2. This is the term here. By substituting n is equal to 0, we get the lowest power of x, which is x raised to k minus 2, and which is the term a0 into k minus 1 into x raised to k minus 2. It is n equal to 0 here. Now, by substituting n equal to 1, the term lowest power of x is x raised to k minus 1 here. And what is the term here? The term is n equal to 1 here. So, a1. Here the k plus 1. Okay, 1 plus k plus 1, it is okay here. So, here it is n equal to 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, it is only k here, and x raised to k minus 1 here. N equal to 1, it is k minus 1 here. These are the first two terms here. So, first we have to write these two terms here. Okay, so here we get here, this is the first term here. So, a0 into k minus 1 into x raised to k minus 2 plus a1 into k plus 1 into x raised to k minus 1 here. Now remember here, as we write n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, these two terms here, then this summation sign can be replaced by n is equal to 0 to infinity by n is equal to 2 to infinity here, because n is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1. These two terms we have already written here. So this summation becomes here summation of n runs from 2 to infinity here. Here is the 2 here. Here is 0. 0 is replaced by 2 because for n is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1, we have already written. These are the two steps here. Now remaining term is as it is here. So it is your an into n plus k into n plus k minus 1 into x raised to n plus k minus 2 minus summation of n into, okay, now here is the term here. So here we solve this here. So we wrote this thing here. So here minus summation of an. Now here what is the bracket term here? We solve this equation here. So here multiply n by bracket term here. You will get here n square plus nk minus n. Now by k, multiply by k here. It is plus nk plus k square minus k plus 2 into n plus k minus l into n plus 1. So from this equation we know that here n square plus twice nk plus k square. You will get here n plus k bracket square. Okay, here is minus n, it is minus k. Take minus outside the bracket, n plus k plus twice nk, it is here twice n plus k minus l into n plus 1 here. So from this here we get here n plus k bracket square plus n plus k minus l into n plus 1 here. And from this here, if we take n plus k common, n plus k in bracket n plus k, and from this it is your 1 minus l into n plus 1 here. So this bracketed term can be replaced by this term here. So it is minus summation of n into, this is the term here, n plus k into n plus k plus 1 minus l into n plus 1, and raised to x raised to n plus k, it is as it is, raised to x raised to n plus k, and it is equal to 0 here. So we replace this bracketed term by this term here by solving this here. So we get the next step here. Okay, now next to that here, what we have to do here. So write first two terms as it is here. Now next to that, what we have to do here, we have to replace n by n runs from 2 to infinity by n runs from 0 to infinity. First we write these two equations here. Two terms, a0 into k minus 1 x raised to k minus 2 plus a1 into k plus 1 into x raised to k minus 1. So here, okay, plus summation of, we have to replace n runs from 2 to infinity by n runs from 0 to infinity here. So what we have to write here, everywhere there is n, we have to write here n plus 2 here. If you have any objection here, solve here, take the first term here, take n is equal to 2 and take n is equal to 0, you will get the same result here. So here we can write here a n plus 2 into n plus k plus 2 into n plus k plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 into x raised to n plus k only here, because n replaced by n plus 2 here. So this 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, n plus k here, minus, here is the minus, summation of this term is as it is here, n into n plus k into n plus k plus 1 minus l into n plus 1 into x raised to n plus k here. So this is the equation here. Now what we have tried here? Here is the n runs from 0 to infinity here. Now here this is the power series solution for the given legendary differential equation here. The left hand side is the power series solution, right hand side is equal to 0 here. Now this equation is true only if every coefficient of every power of x vanishes here. So here if x raised to k minus 2 it is equal to 0 here vanishes here, then what is the coefficient of every power of x here? So it is your a0 into k minus 1 is equal to 0 here. We get this equation here. Now in this case here we get here a1 into k plus 1 is equal to 0 here. A coefficient of every power of x is equal to 0 here or vanishes here. So we get these two equations. Suppose it is equation number 4 and this is equation number 5 here. Now this equation 4 and 5 are known as initial equation here. And these two equations are simultaneously true here. Now first take 4 equation here. So a0 into k minus 1 is equal to 0 here. We know that here a0 is not equal to 0 here. So then what are the equations here? So we get from this equation we get here either k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 1 here. So from equation 4 we get the conditions that here a is equal to 0 or k is equal to 1 here. Now here k is equal to 0, so we will get here k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 1 here. So then what happens about the equation number 5? What is equation number 5? a1 into k plus 1 is equal to 0 here. So we take first case is k is equal to 0 here. If k is equal to 0, then what happens here? The right hand side is 0. When it is true here, if k is equal to 0, a1 is equal to 0. Then it is okay here. Another case, if k is equal to 0, a1 may not be equal to 0, then and then also result is 0 here. So here these are the two cases here. K is equal to 0, a1 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 and a1 may not be equal to 0 here. And what is the second case here? Our second case is k is equal to 1 here. So k is equal to 1 here. If k is equal to 1, when this equation is true here, if k is equal to 1, a1 must be equal to 0. There and there only. So here equation 4 and 5 are simultaneously true here. So here we got two conditions that here. First condition is k is equal to 0, a1 is equal to 0. Second case is k is equal to 0, a1 not equal to 0. Third case is k is equal to 1 and a1 must be equal to 0 here. So a1 must be. These are the two cases here. Now in this case also here, the coefficient of every power of x vanishes here. So here this is equal to 0 here. Then what happens here? Our equation becomes an plus 2 into n plus k plus 2 into n plus k plus 1 minus n into n plus k into n plus k plus 1 minus l into l plus 1 is equal to 0 here. Okay. Now here, if we transfer this term to the right hand side here, it becomes positive here. So here, without wasting time here, if this term transfer to right hand side here, then what happens here? It becomes positive here. It becomes positive here. So what is n plus 2 here? an plus 2 becomes n plus k into n plus k plus 1 minus l into l plus 1 upon n plus k plus 1 into n plus k plus 2 here. So here this is equation number, I think it is your 6th equation here. So this is the equation number 6 here. So this equation 6 is known as recurrence relation here. So this equation 6 is known as recurrence relation here. And now we got here, these are the three cases here. And then we have to solve here. So here we have all these things here. So what is our recurrence relation here? So recurrence relation is, now this is recurrence relation, we can write here an plus 2 is equal to n plus k into n plus k plus 1 minus l into l plus 1 divided by n plus k plus 1 into n plus k plus 2 and raised to x raised to it is a and here. It is your a and here. So here this is the relation here, and take the first condition here. Take the first condition here. Without we take the first condition. What is the condition first? Is first condition is k is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 0 here. So we write this condition: a1 is k is equal to 0, a1 is equal to 0, k is equal to 0, a1 is not equal to 0, and third case is k is equal to 0, a1 must be equal to 0. These are the cases here. So here substitute this here. So our equation become here. Now k is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 0. This is the first case here. So we get here an. So here we what we get n is equal to 0. First case is n is equal to 0. What we get here? N is equal to 0 means here we will get here a2. A2 is equal to k is equal to 0. Okay. So here first we write the what happens. What is the equation for k is equal to 0? So we get here an plus 2 is equal to k is equal to 0, n into n plus 1 only here. N into n plus 1, k is equal to 0 minus n into n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2 into an here. So here this is the equation here. Now substitute here n is equal to 0 here. What we get here? We get here a2 is equal to n is equal to 0 means minus n into n plus 1 and divided by 2 into a0 here. Okay, we get this equation here. A0 here. Now here this is logically we can solve the another step here. So we suppose here for n is equal to 1 here. Okay, so what we get here? N is equal to 1 means here 1 plus 2 you will get here a3 is equal to. Without wasting time, logically we can solve this step within fraction of second here. So here bracket it up whatever bit here. So it is your a and here. So n is equal to 1. This is n is equal to 1. So you will get here a1. What is our condition? a1 is equal to 0 here. So here without wasting time, without doing any calculation here, we can directly write here a3 is equal to 0 here. Okay, a3 is equal to 0 here. Similarly, instead of taking 2 we can take 3 here. Suppose n is equal to 3 here. What we get here? 3 means here 3 plus 2 5. A5 is equal to. So here this is the something here what I get here. Now here n is equal to 3 means here you will get here a3 here. So here as a3 is equal to 0, any divided by 0 is equal to 0 here. So a3 is equal to 0. Similarly a7 is equal to 0. A9 is equal to 0 and so on here. So what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate only here n is equal to 2, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 6. We can make some calculation. So it is homework for you here. So here now here last time we solved each and every step of the another differential equation in the last lecture here. So here what we have to write here? So you will get here a0 is not equal to 0. We know that here. You will get here a1 is equal to 0 here. You will get a2, a3, a4, a5, a6. Found that here a5, a3, a7, r0 here. So these equations are terms are 0 here. Then what is the solution? Solution is y is equal to summation of n into x raised to n plus k, where n goes from 0 to infinity here. Now what is our condition here? K is equal to 0 and a1 is equal to 0 here. This is condition here. So what we get here? Summation of n goes from 0 to infinity here. An into x raised to n only here. So k is equal to 0 here. So substitute value of a n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get somewhat equation here. Now here this is homework for you here. Now next to that here, similar. Now this is homework for you here. Now similarly, take the second case here. What is second case here? K is equal to 0, a1 is not equal to 0 here. Substitute this value in the rigorous relation. Solve this here. You will get here a1, a2, a3, and so on here. So y is equal to summation of n into x to n plus a, and solve these equations here. Similarly, for third case here, k is equal to 0 and a1 is also equal to 0 here. So here same equation here, y is equal to summation of a into x raised to n plus k. Solve this equation here. So calculate the value of a0, a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on here. So here you can find out here the value of then you can find the value of a0, a1, a2, a3 by substituting n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on here, and substitute the values in this equation here, power solution here. We will get the our series solution of the given legendary differential equation at x is equal to 0 here. So here this is the 8th lecture here. If we have time here, we solve the in this way here. We don't have to solve the each and every step here. This is homework for you here. Refer the reference book here. Textbook is available here, and solve the examples each and every clear cut steps here. Now these examples are lengthy here, but carefully, patiently you can solve and you will get the result here. Okay, have a good day. Bye.